Hello, it's Aaron Habicht here with Optimum Realty in Regina. So I just wanted to give you a quick June 2025 update. I realize we're nearly at the end of July, but these are the June stats, and the July stats will be coming up here in the next couple of weeks. So in Regina Real Estate in June of 2025, we actually saw 402 homes sold. That is a 6% increase year over year, 17% above the 10-year average here in Regina. 568 new listings. That's an 8% increase from June of 2024. But here's the important part. Still not enough to meet the current demand levels for the amount of buyers we have in Regina right now. Benchmark price keeps going up, $343,200, reaching historic highs for Regina, continuing the upward trend from Q1 of 2025. Properties are only staying on the market 27 days on average. So again, if you're a seller, you're getting top dollar and your property is selling quickly right now. Inventory supply analysis. So with the current market conditions, we only have about 2 months supply available. So we're experiencing significant inventory shortage right now. The tight supply creates favorable conditions for sellers. Most properties are moving quickly off the market. Total inventory stands at 818 listings. That once again was in June of 2025, with 611 that were actively available in July. So we're seeing multiple offers becoming increasingly common. We're seeing first-time buyers facing heightened competition, and we are seeing premium prices for well-maintained, move-in ready properties. As far as price trends go, we are seeing record growth continuing. So obviously the benchmark price is up there at $343,200 for June. That is an 8% year-over-year increase. Buyer demand, competition intensifies. So we are seeing increasing sales volume with 402 homes sold in June. Buyer activity remains robust despite the rising prices. Supply-demand imbalance. Again, we have not enough homes for sale for the amount of buyers we have. So simple supply and demand, and we're in a fast-moving market. Any buyers have to be serious, have to jump at a home they like, and most likely will be competing for that property right now in the market in Regina. Mortgage rate, again, the Bank of Canada stands at 2.75%, 5-year fixed, and variable rates. Obviously, check with your mortgage broker or your bank on these rates, but they do favor buyers as rates have come down from a year ago. Favorable to buyers right now when you're looking to make a move. Seller opportunities. So we're in a bit of a perfect storm right now. Peak pricing. Sellers are achieving record prices. Obviously, the benchmark price has continued to go up. Quick sales. So again, homes are selling in just 27 days approximately. You can get a quick sale with a lot of extra money in your pocket to sell your home right now. Negotiation power. You have all the power as a seller. Only 2 months of inventory right now. So really, buyers are scrambling for any good properties out there. Gives the seller good negotiation power. And motivated buyers. We have a lot more buyers than homes for sale. So I can't stress that enough. We need good quality homes for sale to try to level out this market. Advice for buyers right now: get pre-approved now, identify must-haves and nice-to-haves, and obviously work with someone that can help you through the process. Approval. We always recommend our clients are pre-approved prior to looking at any homes, condos, etc. If you fall in love with a property and you're not pre-approved, you most likely will not get the property, as you're going to be competing against people that have mortgage pre-approvals in place. We want to make sure we're looking at properties that you can afford as well. So that goes to number 3, work with a local expert. We're going to set you up on a home search that shows you all the properties within your pre-approval price range, and we're going to work out the best plan to try to get you into one of those properties that you fall in love with. The must-haves and the nice-to-haves, that's something we always point out as well. If you have 4 or 5 children, for example, you're going to need 3, 4, or 5 bedrooms potentially in the property. So those are obviously must-haves. Nice-to-haves, okay, well, maybe maybe a garage is a nice-to-have for somebody. I mean, unless you're maybe a mechanic or you absolutely need a garage for whatever reason. More importantly, maybe say a hot tub. That's a really good example as a nice-to-have. People do enjoy their hot tubs, but it's not necessarily something you must have in a home. So that needs to be identified for what you're looking to purchase. Strategic advice, optimal timing for sellers. Basically, right now, this market's not going to last forever, but right now, you will get top dollar and the quickest sale we can on your property. It's just the way the market is right now. Strategic pricing, price competitively based on recent comparables. So if your home is worth 300 grand, we're not going to price it at 500 grand. It's still going to sit. We still have to be realistic about pricing your home. If it's valued at 300, we're probably going to look at pricing it right around that number, maybe 295. And we're going to get as many eyes on it as we can to potentially bring you multiple offers and drive that price up somewhat. Presentation matters, professional photography, minor repairs, basically, curb appeal matters, buyers walk in the door. It all matters when you're selling a home. So we want to make sure your home is really priced and conditioned to sell for the top dollar and in the shortest amount of time. And marketing reach. We're going to use every avenue available to us, social media, print advertising, whatever it takes to get most eyes on the property, get your home sold for top dollar. Market outlook, next step. So really the market summary again, Regina remains firmly in a seller's market with only about 2 months of supply right now. Benchmark price continues upward trajectory. So we're sitting at $343,200 for your average benchmark price right now. Lower interest rates are supporting buyer confidence. So again, we have a lot of buyers out there. The lower interest rates are pushing buyers to jump into properties with not enough properties out there for buyers. And the current condition, as I just said, buyers that are prepared can get into a home for sure. But sellers are definitely at the advantage right now in terms of top dollar, quick sale, negotiating power, etc. If you want to download this report, feel free. Just click the download report button here if you want to look at it a little closer. If you want to reach out, book a consultation, we're always happy to chat, either myself or my agents with Optimum Realty. We all have many, many years of experience and are always happy to help. Other than that, I'll put some more information down in the description for you to reach out. Visit our website at optimumregina.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. Have yourself a great day.